That's good. Wow, you made it way down there. Boy, he's got an arm on him, doesn't he?
Is Aurora throwing him far enough?
I'm throwing two.
Come here, one at a time. Ah, no,
Aurora, not two, because we got to make sure that they're far enough to stop.
Stop, come over here.
Daddy's going to have to come back out here in his boots and get yours and throw them down farther.
Come over that way. I want them way down the hill.
Yep.
Way down the hill.
You did good. Woo!
That's better.
I cracked
No, harder, harder. Harder. I want it way down.
Oops, wrong direction, Michael. Good job, Sissy Bug.
Here, I'll hold it.
Woo! Look at that arm.
Now he's matching them.
It's fine.
Woo! That was a good throw, dude.
Mom, I picked one.